Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to day 2 of Tasmanian road trip. Now we are in Strand, basically going for a river cruise. So it's called as Gordon River Cruises. Guys, so the cruise is really going to start right now. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. It is so much windy and it's already raining pretty bad. It's drizzling.
We do ask that you stick to 2 people in the wheelhouse at one time and stay behind.
That's the kitchen area on to the left that you can actually see. So they do provide lunch, so it is highly recommended to get the breakfast first and then board the vessel. That's the entire seating area basically.
See the boat passing through the narrow entrance. As you can see, this one is made up of much larger boulders that would be.
As you can see here how these people are actually holding on to the rail. The ride is actually bumpy. The waves are pretty strong. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but what an amazing experience. Tasmanian with the wild weather. And I'm vlogging on the ocean. Woo! It's so epic. So this is Gordon River Cruise, guys, that you can see. So it takes you on like 5.5 hours of a cruise through the Gordon River, but you get this magnificent views out here. If you can see it on the camera right now, I'm not too sure if the camera is doing the justice, but the views are so freaking good. Alright guys, we have just disembarked the cruise. So this is the cruise that we just boarded on. It's called as Gordon River Cruise. It says the Spirit of the Wild.
Most you caught all the warm up that you and Pine top.
This is the boardwalk again, inside the Tasmanian wilderness. Sure. This is 500 years old tree. 500 years old. I think it's lunchtime now and lunch will be served inside the cruise. Well, yes, now we are in Sarah Island. This is the second walking phase of the Gordon River cruise. Right now it's 1:40 p.m. So this should last till 2:30. We should be back to the harbor. So yeah, let's explore Sarah Island. So this was the place where world's most hardened criminals were kept, it seems. And so this is the most remotest island as well in the coast of Tasmania. So all the convicts from UK, once they commit a crime, they usually were sent to New South Wales prison, it seems. And if they commit a crime second time, they were sent to here. So we can see some settlements. I'm going to show you some settlements here in Sarah Island.
Total isolation.
So
You want to see your hand in front of your face? Longest stint in one of those tiny rooms was 17 days. This building was built as an alternative to the extreme physical punishments that this island was gaining quite the reputation for quite early on.
I actually did see this list of people who were dead, basically. 134 people deaths, in which one of them was cannibalized. That was one hell of a storytelling experience that we had. Once upon a time, this place was called as the Hell on Earth. And now it is such a beautiful place. It's so much wind. Really? So just finished our cruise. We are still in Strand. What an amazing day it was. The storytelling was just so beautiful. Whatever money you're spending on it, it is 110% worth it. Trust me, you guys will have the experience that you have never done before. Like, especially for me, I've never had such beautiful experience. Trust me, I don't have words to express.